guys? How's it going? Travis and Susie here from the Wolf Hunters, and we got a reaction video for you. We got this link right here. You can find that link in the description box, which is below the video. There's a link. Click it and pick it. You can request music, movie scenes, comedy skits, live performances, documentary segments, and more for the Wolf Hunterz Reactions channel. Today's video is brought to you by Mike. Bringing us Al Stewart, The Year of the Cat. This is our... oh, shoot, scared me. This is our first time reacting to Al Stewart. So thank you so much for that, Mike. Greatly appreciate you.
Mike says this 1970 song is timeless. The music and lyrics are brilliant. The use of the Casablanca film references throughout is genius. This just flows through you, so let it.
All right.
Casablanca. Have you ever seen that?
I have not seen that.
I have not seen that either. You know, I've heard of that a lot. And I think I might have seen clips from Casablanca, but I've never actually watched it.
All right.
Let's do it. Al Stewart. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe. And let's get ready for the Year of the Cat.
So this is timeless. This is talking a big game here.
Timeless.
Timeless. Okay, I'm ready. You know what?
Not subject to time.
You haven't let me down yet. So let's
You know what? Let's get
keep
to
this
it.
freight train rolling.
Freight train.
Yeah.
Can't stop that.
Can't stop that. Very nice. Wow. Woo. Susie's jiggling the wire.
I was like, why is it only in my left ear? And then it panned across.
Then it kicked in there.
And all the other instruments dropped in the right ear and the left ear.
Oh, that is some beautiful piano playing.
Yeah,
though.
and when
wow.
it all dropped in like that, ooh, that was nice.
Yeah.
On a morning from a Bogart movie, in a country where they turn back time, you go strolling through the crowd like Peter Lorre contemplating a crime. She comes out of the sun in a silk dress, running like a watercolor in the rain. Don't bother asking for explanation. She'll just tell you that she came in the year of the cat.
What a lovely voice.
What a lovely voice.
And how about that bass line too? Fantastic job. Great bass player. And then I haven't heard it yet, but I did see a saxophone player in the background. So I look forward to that too.
Don't bother asking for explanation. She'll just tell you that she came in the year of the cat. She doesn't give you time for questions as she locks up your arm in hers, and you follow till your sense of which direction completely disappears. By the blue tiled walls near the market stalls, there's a hidden door she leads you to. These days, she says, I feel my life just like a river running through.
You know what this song does for me? It makes me feel like I can forget about all my problems.
Yes.
You know what I mean? That's the kind of feeling I get when I hear this.
I agree.
Yeah?
Yes.
The year of the cat.
Oh, that's good. is a solid band right here.
Yeah.
Wow, so much talent.
Still with her. On the bus and the tourists are gone. And you've thrown away your chance and lost your ticket, so you have to stay on. But the drumbeat strains of the night remain, and the rhythm of the newborn day. You know, sometime you're bound to leave her, but for now you're gonna stay in the year of the cat.
That synth sound.
I like the old gray whistle, right? That's what it is, old gray whistle.
Something I love about that is that every instrument could stand on its own and it all felt good. Like that song felt so good because every single instrument, what it was doing, felt good. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So overall, it was just so feel good.
I think that's what that
I
was
feel so
called,
happy.
the old gray whistle. I hope I'm saying it right. I remember seeing it before and I thought I saw maybe like a... I don't know. You guys can confirm that or correct me. Anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with us. If you enjoyed hanging out, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Check out this link below in the description box to request your own personal reaction video for music, movie scenes, skits, comedy, race car videos, whatever you guys want. Like, subscribe. Oh, I said that. Stay tuned, stay positive. We'll see you next time.
We love you guys so much.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
I just wanna bang my